What is up, everybody? KJ here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about what I'm seeing in the market exactly right now. I think it's an extremely important time to pay very close attention. As you know, I've been super bearish, not bearish, but cautious in this area, but I'm starting to see some things that give me reason to believe that we're very close to marking up even higher, an even stronger pump across the board. So I'm going to go through that as quickly as possible. It's going to be super quick, actually, because I'm paying attention to what's going on trading this. And if you like the videos, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Also, shout out to the people that are using my Bybit ref link. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, I will be giving you guys some added value in return. So if you have used my Bybit ref link, it's in the bio. You get an extra $4,000 for using that, I think. And if you used it and can prove it, just DM me on Telegram. It's just Korean/Jew. And what I'm going to do is make a Telegram group where we can kind of trade together and stuff. Like, keep in mind, I'm not, it doesn't mean I'm going to be sitting there answering all your questions all day, but I will do my best to try to help you guys out and give you some sort of value in return. I really do appreciate it. So anyway, let's move forward. Let's look at what I'm seeing specifically on Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum, if we zoom out, we can see very clearly, like, this box is resistance. You have MA 99-day resistance there. There's a lot of reasons to be cautious here, which we were, and the daily structure was absolutely awful. That being said, last night I was trading this live, and when I saw that we hit this level around 1560, especially with what Bitcoin was doing on the low time frame, like, that support really was supposed to break, and it got absorbed multiple times. And now when we look on the lower resolutions, you have this cluster here, right, where shit is really scary. We have Nancy Pelosi going to China, yada yada yada, all sorts of stuff, monkeypox. But the bottom line is this really tight range held and broke out with volume. The other thing so typically, like, when you see something like that, it's usually the signs of a good move coming in whatever direction. But the other thing is you have the same structure right here on FBTC, okay? And when we zoom out, we can even look at 4 hour. Like, the implications of this move is a breakout, I think. So, like, in my opinion, as long as these lows hold on Bitcoin as well as ETH, like, I think the potential is definitely there for a big move on ETH into August. That kind of, let's see, on FUSD, like at least up here, like, I think you're gonna see ETH above 2200. And what that means across the board. When we look at the BTC de-adjusted, it bounced but got rejected. It is getting rejected pretty hard. Like, this looks pretty bearish. So, like, it's going to be an F season, but at the same time, other alts will perform as well. So if I were you, I'd be keeping a very close eye on FBTC as well as FUSD. And I think we're gonna break this. I think this is going to break, and it's going to break out and rip faces off. So for that to happen, obviously, Bitcoin needs to close this daily better. ETH is already starting to look good, but we want to see this really start to mark up today, like, as soon as possible, really. So that's why I'm doing this video. Like I said, I was going to keep it short, but I think as long as this holds, the potential is definitely there for a big pump. So yeah, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll keep you guys updated.